Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the JavaScript and the TypeScript interoperability, right? So today we'll be discussing about advanced promise.all settled, right? So promise.all settled, whatever I'm speaking of, this resolves after all the promises complete, regardless of success or the failure, right? Handling race conditions require careful synchronization as well. So in this video we will see promise.all settled, and in the next video let's see the race conditions, right? So again I'm telling, promise.all settled resolves after all the promises complete, regardless of success or failure, and also handling race conditions require careful synchronization. So initially let's see how to make use of the promise.all settled. Right here, let me come here quickly. I'll just give here let tasks equals. So here quickly, within the array I'll just give here promise dot resolve, and here this will be, I'll just name this one task 1 within the strings, right? So next, let me give here, sorry, this one has to be capital P, right? Sorry, yeah. Again I'll just consider promise dot reject, and here I'll just give task 2. Let me leave some space over here as well. So task 2 failed here, so I'll directly take here task 2 failed, and finally, so this has to be comma, right, not the semicolon. So the final one, let me make use of promise dot resolve of, finally I'll just name this one task 3, right? So quickly I'll just come here, let me make use of promise dot all settled. I'll just give you all settled. So here I have considered tasks, right, at the name. I'll just pass tasks over here, and let me make use of then, and quickly let me give results or rest, whatever. I'll just consider results. So this is relevant here. I'll just give here console log of, I've just passed the results. Let me log the results itself. So if I try to run the code, just give me a second here. What happened? I'm using TypeScript. Just give me a second here. Let me change this one to JavaScript. So let me paste the same thing over here. Let me run this one. So what happened here? So let me remove this semicolon. So let me run this one again. So we are getting the status fulfilled, value task 1. This one rejected, reason task 2 failed, and also status fulfilled, and the value task 3. So here we are also getting the reason task 2 failed, right? Status rejected, fulfilled, rejected, and fulfilled. So again, I'm telling, while explaining, I have already said promise dot all settled results after all the promises complete, regardless of whether it is a success or failure. So we are getting 3, this one here, fulfilled, rejected, as well as the fulfilled. So fulfilled and rejected, both we are getting right here, all the 3 tasks. So this works absolutely correct, and handling the race conditions requires careful synchronization, as I've said. This one we will be discussing in the next video. So for now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.